Yo, what's good, y'all boys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you 3 of the best unsaturated niches that nobody's doing right now, and you guys can start printing thousands per month. So whichever niche you guys end up picking, you will get into the Create Rewards program. These niches are very unsaturated. That means nobody is currently doing them right now, so you guys are going to be the first people to start hopping on these niches, and you guys are going to be able to blow up very easily, so you guys will get to that 10k follower mark. Alright guys, so let's just hop straight into the first niche. Alright guys, this is niche number 1. As y'all can see, there's a bunch of AI generated videos, and I'm going to click on one so you guys get more of a brief example of what I'm talking about.
How famous Fortnite streamer Leanin Ross just interviewed the future president of the island Donald Pump today on stream. Today, Leanin Ross had the biggest stream of his life after getting...
So after watching that video, you guys can kind of see that these are brain rot funny type of videos, and what this account is specifically doing is remixing current events that are currently happening in today's world and making them into a funny brain rot type of way. And guys, these videos are very attention grabbing for every single audience, because more of a younger audience will watch these because these are funny and brain rot type of videos, and also a older audience will watch these because this is on the current events, and they might get a laugh out of it too because they're just making it in a funny way. So overall, these videos are very intriguing and people will stop to watch them. Lastly, my favorite part about this niche is you guys will not get any risk of getting unoriginality strikes because this is totally AI generated. Also, all these videos are over a minute long, so they will all be eligible to earn on the Create Rewards program. If you guys are looking to take TikTok a little bit more seriously and want to start consistently earning thousands of dollars every single month, I cannot recommend my premium Discord anymore. As you guys can see the results from the members who are generating thousands every single month and getting millions of views on every single post. Guys, they are achieving this by my one-to-one mentorship, all the niche tutorials and secret hidden niches, also with all the step-by-step ways to ensure that your account is doing the best performance possible. So guys, if you are interested in that, make sure you go link in the description and go check it out. Alright guys, so for niche number 2, I have this cat and dog type of situationship type of videos. So as y'all can see with this one, it says POV when you dream your boyfriend is cheating. It is pretty much a video of explaining what it looks like when your boyfriend is cheating, but it's just formatted to cats, not the actual people. So let me let this video play out so you get more of a brief example of what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so after watching the video, you guys kind of understand what I'm talking about. Guys, these videos are so easy to make. It's literally a background image and then green screen videos of cats or dogs. This niche is super easy, and as y'all can see, the results are actually insane. This person right here is pulling thousands and millions of views, and this niche I do not see is very unsaturated. So you guys can, you know, make an account and start blowing up your account right now with this niche and get to 10,000 followers, get in the Create Rewards program. And as y'all can see, these videos are over a minute, so this person is earning so much money off these videos. Also guys, I found another account. If you're not already in the Create Rewards program and just trying to make quick content, as y'all can see, this video is only 6 seconds long and is very easy to make. All this guy did is got a green screen video of a puppy wrapped up in a blanket and then just put some wording at the top with a sound, and he got such good results. And this is a really good way to, you know, achieve the 10,000 follower mark, so you guys can start making a minute long videos so you can start earning on the Create Rewards program. Alright guys, so here's niche 3, the final niche. Guys, this niche is so good. It is currently popping off right now. I don't see barely anybody doing this, guys. I see like no people doing this, so you guys can easily start this niche, get to 10,000 followers and get in the Create Rewards program. So let me show you a video so you guys get an idea of what this niche looks like.
Guess the celebrity by their smile. Who is this lady? Nicki Minaj.
So as you can see, it's guessing the celebrity by their hair or smile type. As y'all can see, the questions are 5 seconds each, and as y'all know, people's retention spans are like potatoes in today's world. So what I suggest for these is making them 3 seconds per question and then just adding more. So instead of 9, I would add about 12 to 15. This will be more of a process, but trust me guys, it will be way more engaging for your viewers, and you will get better results. As you can see, these videos are very easy to make. All you need is the images of their hair or their smile, and then you just add Minecraft gameplay on the background. And all these videos are over a minute long, so these all qualified to earn on the Creator Rewards program. And for the Minecraft gameplay, you guys have to get original gameplay. Make sure it's not unoriginal. I suggest you either record it yourself or do maybe screen record Subway Surfers, do something like that so you guys don't get strikes for the copyright background. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys leave a like. Also guys, all the niches I showcased in this video, the step-by-step tutorial and strategy for all these niches are in my premium Discord. Once again, if you guys are looking to take TikTok seriously and are looking to make thousands every single month, I cannot recommend my premium Discord anymore. So without further ado, I will catch you guys in the next video.